Okay, we're going to be talking about sabal palms. We had 2 sabal palms installed, and one of the things that you should do with your sabal palms, especially newly planted sabal palms, ours is pretty much adult. You can see from the height there. I don't know, I would say that is probably what, about 14 feet, 15 maybe. So you can see the trunk, and we're using Job's fertilizer spikes. So, and that's what this is right here. You can get them off of Amazon is where we got them. You can look. But you don't want them closer than 30 inches. So the tools you're going to need is a tape measure, your hammer, the red cap that comes in the box. We'll show the outside of the packaging. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. You're going to measure the diameter of the tree. We've already done that. Ours is bigger than 5 inches around, so it's going to take 5 fertilizer spikes. Okay. So we're going to go ahead, find our, you do not want them closer than 30 inches. So my 30 inches is there. I'm going to go ahead, give them a little extra. I want to, so you pound it down to the even with the ground. You take the cap off, and then you're going to pound it 1 to 2 inches below the ground, below the soil. Okay? So we're going to do that. I already have thrown the fertilizer spikes out here. Since this is newly planted, the soil's soft, so in this area, so it's easy to drive those in. You know, and the prices for install and for the size of your tree is going to vary by your area. Heck, I can push that one in by hand. Okay. So, and then you can see how the soil's cupped around the tree. That's to hold the water when you're going to water it. For newly planted sabal palms, they should be watered 3 to 4 times. 3 to 4 times per week. And the goal when you're doing that, you need to soak it at least 1.5 feet to let that water seep down in so you can get the roots established. You're going to do that for 6 months. You'll water your sabal palm 3 to 4 times per week like that. But it's good to do your research, make sure the type of palm tree you got. And typically your installer is going to have good information for you. All right. So there you go. We put 5 fertilizer spikes in. Did not take us very long, but you can see we're going to watch and we'll see how that should help. It's one of the things they recommend with your sabal palm. You can see it's hot out here today, so South Carolina, you'll get your head burned if you don't wear a hat in the middle of the day. So normally we try to get out, do our chores in the morning or evenings when it's better. But for the purposes of this video, we wanted to get it out to you. So we're out here in the middle of the day. It's about 3 o'clock and it's hot today. So you can see your sabal palm. These are called fronds. And the sabal palm is easy maintenance. It doesn't require a lot of trimming and pruning unless there's something going on they're hanging too low, getting in your way for mowing or something like that. Now, where the fronds are, birds will poop, and it will land in between those, and you can get bushes and stuff growing out of them. So you want to address that if it happens. But otherwise, they're pretty self-maintenance. And once these become, after that 6 months and they've got their root system going, they rarely need water. So only if there's like an extreme drought. Otherwise, these things are going to take care of themselves. They're said to last 200 to 300 years, these sable palms, and they can get as high as 70 feet high. So they are a great looking tree. They're actually Florida's national tree, is this sable palm here. They're also called the cabbage palm as well. All right, well, I hope this has helped you. But also with the install, remember to cup that bottom. It'll hold that water and let it release down where it needs to for the roots. All right, thanks, and see you next time.